I made 4,000 US dollars from this trade. So now I'm going to the iStore and spend all this money buying myself a new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's go. I don't want to use 14 Pro Max no more. What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another valuable video for you guys. And guys, as we speak, guys, we're killing AUD USD, guys. It's crazy. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. This was a snipe interest, guys. So guys, my goals is to teach you guys how you can become a profitable trader in the forex market. So let me first show you guys how I was able to catch this trade right here. And I made something about 4K right now. We're running something about 4K as we speak. Running something about 4K, I say, from this or these two trades, I say. So as we speak, you can see that the euro CAD is about to hit TP. Look at this. It's about to hit the TP. And guys, I think I'm gonna spend all this money to my new iPhone 15 Pro Max. So listen, let me take you guys to the chart so that I can show you guys how I was able to find the snipe entry. And remember this, guys, when I show you how I was able to catch this trade, take this opportunity, guys, as a new lesson for you. And I say, pay attention to the way I take the trade and do the same thing in your trading journey, and then you're going to become profitable trader. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put everything right here, guys, how I was able to find the trade. I'm gonna put everything right here. So let me first show you guys. I'm not sure if I should I'm not sure if I must use the computer or my phone. What can I use in these two cases? Let me first show you with the phone, and I'm going to show you as well on the computer. All right, so first thing first, guys, you can see how much we're running right now. You can see everything right here, how much we're running right now. We're running something about each trade 300 US dollars right now as we speak. And you can see, guys, if you look at this, you can see this is where I took the opportunity right here. This is where I took the opportunity right here. We entered here. This is where I give the signal to my team. So listen, if you are not in a free Telegram group, make sure you join the free Telegram group. And if you want to join the VIP group, you can join the VIP group. Then you're going to be trading as I trade. I say, if I didn't get the signal, you're not gonna be able to trade. If I get the signal, we're gonna trade together. And I say, so yeah. So this is where we entered, and this was our stop loss. You can see reason why, guys, I always tell you, yo, listen, always focus on small loss but high profit. So this is what happened. You can see here. Let me show you. You can see here. Wait. You can see here. Damn, what's going on? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what is going on. Anyways, you can see, guys, here. This is where I got the trade right here. This is where I got the trade right here. This is where I got the trade, and this is my stop loss right here. And after this, you can see, after we took the trade, this trade, guys, was so cool, was so beautiful. Didn't even give us some hard time like consolidation thing. We just entered and the market was like a voo. You know what I'm saying? I love this. And you can see, guys, the stop loss was a too small stop loss. And after that, the market gave us the continuation, you know what I say, on uptrend. And after that, guys, we got a pullback right here, and this is what I'm going to do. Guess what I'm going to do right now? I'm going to shift my stop loss at this point here, at the previous pullback, because this market, guys, is going to move something about 300 pips. All right, it's going to move something about 300 pips. So I want to kill all these pips. So I'm going to shift my stop loss at this point here, because you can see this was our first pullback, continuation pullback here, and I'm gonna shift my stop loss at this point. This is how I do to kill the market so much. When you see me killing the market so much, so hard, so this is what I do it. This is how I do it. You must know this is how I do it. I keep on shifting my stop loss, you know. I say, so make sure you do the right things. So right now I'm gonna go spend all this money, guys, to my new iPhone 15 Pro Max. You know, I say, since I had 14 Pro Max, and you know, we got a new iPhone 15 Pro Max, so I feel like I wanna upgrade the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's go, baby. But listen, before we go, let me show you guys on the main chart, on the big screen, how I got how I did my analysis, you know, I say, on a big screen, because everything I do, guys, I want you guys to learn and gain some money from this. So listen, before I take you guys to the big screen, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and please click that like button below, because it gives me more energy to show you even more things. You know what I say? I ask for no money, guys, to my content. I ask for no money, guys, to my strategies. Everything I give them for free. So stay tuned. Let's go together, guys, to the iStore and get something new. So let me take you to the chart first and see how I did my analysis. So as you can see here, this is what we're running, and you can see the entry here. You can see this was the entry. So look at this. You see AUDUSD. You can see, guys, we had this trend line right here. The market has been on downtrend. You know what I say? It's been coming downtrend on downtrend. Pull back to the trend line. Continuation. Pull back to the trend line. Continuation. Pull back to the trend line. Pull back to the trend line. And then after the market give us the breakout, this is where we enter. This is where I send the signal to my team, and then we hit the TP. Right now, this is the TP1, guys, already hit. So this was my analysis, guys. It was very simple. I keep it simple, guys, just for you guys to understand. And I say, yeah. So guys, let's go together, guys, to the new let's go together, guys, to the iStore just to get something new. Peace, guys. Let's go.
Representative, thank you for your patience.
So we find here, guys, we're gonna use the interest 8. Let's go, baby. Let's go get something new. Yeah, I hope it will be something new, something, you know, something beautiful. So let's check it out. So guys, I'm just gonna try to, you know, to take some shorts videos, because this mode is not allowed for the videos. Like, you are not allowed to shoot some videos, you know. But I'll try my best to make sure I show you guys everything, you know. So guys, as we're walking, we on our way to the iStore, you know.
Yeah, I have no idea.
The iStore shop,
right
so
here, but
it's a little bit far from where we parked. When we're coming from interest 8, it's a little bit far, you know. What the fuck, no? Yeah, chilling. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of beautiful stuff. So you must make sure when you're at this mall, you must make sure you got the stop loss for your pockets. You must also put the stop loss. We already had the guys coming for me. Yeah, I see some watches, guys. Some watches, they're looking good, you know. But I want the black one. They don't have the black one. So guys, I'm looking at the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is this one. But guys, man, I'm so surprised, man. I can't see any different, man. I really can't see any different from iPhone 14 Pro Max. Like almost everything, man, almost everything is the same. There's nothing different. No way. Everything. No, guys, no. Guys, iPhone 15 Pro Max, not for me. Not for me, for sure. Not for me. Not for me at all. I'll keep my money, for sure. Guys, iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm using iPhone 14 Pro Max. I was expecting to buy 15 Pro Max. But guys, no different at all. Almost everything the same. No, not for me.